There are over 340 recognized dog breeds, each with their own unique characteristics and traits. When choosing a dog, it's important to consider your lifestyle and what type of dog will be the best fit for you and your family. Here are a few things to consider when deciding on a dog breed. Size: do you live in a small apartment or do you have a large backyard? Larger dog breeds may not be suitable for small living spaces, while smaller breeds may not have the energy or exercise needs that a larger space can accommodate. Energy level: some breeds have high energy levels and require a lot of exercise, while others are more low-key and can be content with shorter walks or play sessions. Consider your own energy level and how much time and effort you are willing to devote to exercise and play with your dog. Grooming needs: some breeds have long, thick coats that require frequent grooming, while others have short, easy to maintain coats. Consider how much time and money you are willing to invest in grooming your dog. Temperament: different breeds have different temperaments. Some breeds are known for being friendly and good with children, while others may be more aloof or independent. Consider the temperament of the breed and how it will fit in with your family and lifestyle. It's also important to research and understand the specific needs and characteristics of the breed you are interested in. This can help you make an informed decision about whether that breed is the right fit for you. Here are a few examples of dog breeds and their needs. Labrador Retriever. Labradors are known for their friendly, outgoing personalities and are a popular choice for families with children. They are energetic and require regular exercise, such as long walks or runs. Labradors also have a high food drive and can be prone to obesity, so it's important to monitor their food intake and provide regular exercise. Poodle. Poodles are intelligent, active dogs that require regular mental and physical stimulation. They are generally good with children and make good family pets. Poodles come in 3 sizes: standard, miniature, and toy, and have a thick, curly coat that requires regular grooming to maintain its appearance. Bulldog. Bulldogs are known for their calm, docile personalities and are generally good with children. They are a medium-sized breed and do not require a lot of exercise, making them suitable for apartment living. However, bulldogs do have a tendency to snore and may be prone to respiratory issues due to the shape of their face. Greyhound. Greyhounds are a breed of sighthound and were originally bred for hunting and racing. They are known for their athletic build and high energy level, and require regular exercise such as runs or long walks. Greyhounds are generally good with children, but can be sensitive and may benefit from gentle training methods. Shih Tzu. Shih Tzus are a small breed with a long, silky coat that requires regular grooming to maintain its appearance. They are known for their friendly, outgoing personalities and are generally good with children. Shih Tzus are a low-energy breed and do not require a lot of exercise, making them suitable for apartment living. Beagle. Beagles are small, energetic hounds with a strong sense of smell. They were originally bred for hunting and have a high energy level that requires regular exercise. Beagles are generally good with children and make good family pets. Boxer. Boxers are a medium to large breed with a strong, muscular build. They are known for their energetic, playful personalities and require regular exercise to stay healthy and happy. Boxers are generally good with children and make good family pets. Dalmatian. Dalmatians are a medium-sized breed with a short, smooth coat. They are known for their energetic, athletic personalities and require regular exercise to stay healthy and happy. Dalmatians are generally good with children, but can be sensitive and may benefit from gentle training methods. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are a large breed with a strong, athletic build. They are intelligent, loyal, and protective, and are often used as working dogs in fields such as search and rescue, law enforcement, and therapy. German Shepherds require regular exercise and mental stimulation to stay healthy and happy. Golden Retriever. Golden Retrievers are a large breed with a friendly, outgoing personality. They are known for their intelligence and trainability and are often used as service dogs and in search and rescue. Golden Retrievers require regular exercise and are generally good with children. They have a medium to long coat that requires regular grooming to maintain its appearance.